To identify the anion present in aqueous salt solution, first we need to prepare the salt solution, aqueous salt solution of the salt. We have salt A, salt B, salt C, and salt D. Okay, first we need to dissolve the salt A with 20 cm³ of water. Okay. So we will do same as salt B, salt C, and salt D. Okay, measure about 2 cm³ of salt A for each test tube for A1, A2, A3, and A4. 2 cm³. So we measure 2 cm³. And then you pour it into A1. And we measure 2 in A2, A3, and A4. And we will repeat with other salt. Same method. Okay. First, we will do test for carbonate ion for each salt A, salt B, salt C, and salt D. Okay, we just pour 2 cm³ of 2.0 mole hydrochloric acid. If the evaporation occurs, so we need to flow in the lime water. Okay, just pour it. Okay, and then immediately this one, and put inside here in the lime water. Actually, the lime water will turn cloudy. So while you can see the lime water turns cloudy for A1. Okay, we will continue or repeat with B1, C1, and D1. So on the A1, we'll make the evaporation occur and the lime water turns cloudy. Okay, now we will do test for chloride ion. We need excess of nitric acid, 2 mole dm³. Okay, 2 mole dm³ of nitric acid. And then we have the salt A, B, C, and D. Okay, and then here we need also silver nitrate 0.1 mole dm³. Okay, silver nitrate 0.1 mole dm³. Okay, and then add excess of nitric acid, excess and then we add 2 cm³ of silver. Okay, and you will see the evaporation only occur tadi. Okay. So test for chloride ion, you can see only B2 have the white precipitate, and for salt A we have the evaporation, and the rest C and D no changes. Now we will do test salt for sulfate ion. So we need excess of 2 mole of hydrochloric acid and barium chloride 1.0 mole dm³ of barium chloride, 2 cm³. Okay, the result for sulfate test for sulfate ion, for A3 no white precipitate, for B no white precipitate, for C white precipitate occur, and for D no white precipitate. Only salt C have white precipitate. Okay. Test for nitrate ion, we have salt A, salt B, salt C, and salt E. Okay, first of all, we need to add 2 cm³ of 1 mole sulfuric acid. Okay, 2 cm³, 1 mole of sulfuric acid in salt A, A4. Okay, mix. And then we add 2 cm³ of iron 2 sulfate, 1 mole, 2 cm³ of iron 2 sulfate. Okay, we pour it. Okay. And then we need to drop concentrated sulfuric acid drop by drop. So for result for the test for nitrate, salt A, salt B, and salt C no brown ring, and for the salt D you can see the brown ring over there. Okay, thank you very much. Test for cation in salt aqueous solution. solution. Now we will test the salt solution, calcium nitrate, 1 mole dm³ of calcium nitrate solution. So the cation that we want to test is Ca2+. Okay, calcium 2+ ion. Okay, first of all, we will test using the sodium hydroxide solution 2 mole and also ammonia solution 2 mole also. Okay, first we will do add a few drop of sodium hydroxide solution and see what happen. Okay, a few drop, you see the white precipitate. So if got the white precipitate, okay, and then we add excess of sodium hydroxide solution in excess and still produce white precipitate. Okay. Now we continue with the test with ammonia solution. Okay, we add only a few drop and no visible changes. Okay, if no visible changes mean we need to heat strongly and test with the red litmus paper. Okay, and then the red litmus paper turns blue. Okay, now we do cation, test cation for magnesium nitrate. Here we have 2 cm³ of magnesium nitrate. So both when you test with sodium hydroxide and ammonia solution, the magnesium or cation of magnesium ion will produce insoluble white precipitate. Okay, now test for cation for zinc nitrate solution, zinc 2+ ion. So here we add 2 cm³ of zinc nitrate solution. Okay, so for the zinc 2+ cation, test with sodium hydroxide in excess, it will form the colorless, insoluble salt turn to colorless. Okay, and then with the ammonia solution also turn to colorless, insoluble, white in an insoluble salt will turn to colorless also. Okay, you see, okay, become colorless. Okay, thank you. Okay, now we have iron 2 sulfate solution and we want to test the ion is a iron 2+. Okay, now we have 2 cm³ of iron 2+ ion. Okay, so both of this experiment for iron 2 ion cation, when you add excess of sodium hydroxide and excess of ammonia solution, you still got the green precipitate insoluble is formed for both. Okay, now test for iron 3 chloride solution. Means that ion is iron 3+, Fe3+. So here we have 2 cm³ of iron 3. Okay, so for iron 3 chloride, that the ion is iron 3+. Use when you test with sodium hydroxide in excess and ammonia solution in excess, you will get the brown precipitate insoluble is formed for both. Okay, thank you. Okay, now we test the ion for lead 2 nitrate ion, Pb2+ ion. So here we have 2 cm³ of Pb nitrate, lead nitrate. So for the lead 2 nitrate, lead 2 is Pb2+ ion. When we test with excess of sodium hydroxide and ammonia solution, so both will produce white precipitate, insoluble white precipitate is formed. Now we test cation for copper 2 sulfate solution. Okay, it's a copper 2+, Cu2+ ion. So here we have 2 cm³ of copper 2+ ion. Okay, so for this experiment, cation of copper 2+ ion, when you add sodium hydroxide in excess, you will get the blue precipitate insoluble is formed. And when you add ammonia solution in excess, you will get the dark blue precipitate is formed. Now we do the test for cation is ammonium nitrate solution salt. So ammonium. So we have 2 cm³ of ammonium. So means for ammonium nitrate, when you test with the sodium hydroxide and the ammonia solution, sodium hydroxide and ammonia solution, you will get no invisible changes. So we need to heat up and test with the moist red litmus paper, and the red litmus paper change to blue. Okay.